Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn how you can use these Figma files with the help of this repository. There are two options to download these repositories. Number one is here you can download these Figma files. And number two is go to Google Drive and download all the files. Okay, after downloading those templates, there are two easy ways to import these Figma files. Number one is importing like this. And number two is you need to go to your local file and drag and drop the files, whatever you want to import. So that is for this video. I hope that it was helpful to you. If it is, star and share this repository. Thank you.